Hey y'all, Beth here from Creatively Beth on behalf of Team Creative Crafts, and I am here to talk about Diamond Dotz. So this is a new to me craft, but it is so super fun and addictive. It's kind of like the Bedazzler meets paint by numbers. So it's super fun, super easy, and I just want to go ahead and show you what came in this cute kit. It's called Sweet Swimmer, and it's all inclusive. You get everything you need in the kit except for scissors. What I've done is I've taken the canvas. It's got a sticky background, so it's got a protective plastic over top of it, and then you just peel it back as you do your diamond dotting. And then the other fun things that come in the kit are all of the fabulous colors of Diamond Dotz. They are all numbered, so you can see your numbers here. This one is A04, so you would come over here to the color chart that's printed right on the side of the canvas and see that A04 is a circle with a black square inside of it. So you would go to the canvas and find all of those circles with the black squares, which seems to be most of her flesh tones, and you would go ahead and dot right there. Okay, and then also included in the kit, open this bag, is a stylus, and it's got a special metal tip on the end, which I will show you how to use in just a second. We have our Diamond Dotz tray right here, and it's got an easy pour spout, so you can pour the extra Diamond Dots right back into their little bags. And then we have a little dish of wax here. And the wax is super important. I'm going to go ahead and show you how we need to use that. So we're going to take, the stylus is all plastic except for this metal tip. The metal tip is hollow. So what we're going to do is we're going to puncture. We're going to take the plastic coating off of it first. There's a protective plastic coating, so I'm going to peel that back. Not all the way, just part of the way. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to puncture my stylus right through the wax. And you can see that I now have wax in the tip of the stylus. So that is going to grip the little dome shapes of the Diamond Dots, and it's going to make them easy to be picked up and placed on the sticky part of the canvas. Okay. They've also given us this fun little comfort grip, so I'm going to slide that right on the stylus, and we're going to go ahead and start our Diamond Dots project. Let's go.